Sushant, we've heard you're quite a hit in Dubai, and the sheikhs of Dubai are really crazy about you. Tell us more about your last trip to Dubai.
Um, what can I say? I'm a craze everywhere I go, but Dubai especially, behind the curtains that the people wear there also. Those curtains also, I'm quite a hit. So, yeah, the sheikhs, I've got a lot of messages and I've got a lot of invitations to come and visit Dubai again and again and again and again. I don't think they seem to get enough of me. I think it's the fact that it's illegal to be gay there. I think it's really sad. Here in India, it's illegal to have gay sex, but you can be gay, but you can't have gay sex. So basically, I'm a nun. I'm a nun. Look at me. I'm a sexy nun. Okay, I'm a sexy gay nun. That's what I am in this country. As soon as I step out to Europe or the States, none of this nun can be seen. But in Dubai, oh my god, I'm telling you, it is so funny because there are people who are gay. There are people who are lesbians. The women are lesbians, the men are gay. So many of them are, closeted. But they can't come out because then they'll be hung or they'll be stoned to death or some stupid theory that they have. But when I go there, now see, I'm allowed to be gay because I'm not a national, I'm not a citizen of the UAE. So I'm a citizen of India, and in India it's okay to be gay. It's not okay to have gay sex according to 377. But it's okay to be gay, so you can't do anything to me. They want to do a lot of things to me in controlled environments behind closed doors. I have quite a fan following in Dubai as well, yes.